Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can make your Pinterest profile private to keep it private from visitors and viewers. So let us guide you through this. Head over to Pinterest. For example, you may access it via Google Chrome, log into your account and click into that gear icon in the bottom left corner and click into settings here. And inside your account settings, head over to profile visibility here on the left hand side. And last but not least, select private profile here to the right by toggling it on. After that, confirm by clicking on review here. And that's basically it. After that, your given account on profile will be set to private and we're not public anymore. And that's basically it. You may revoke that simply by turning this option off and making it public again, guys. Just don't forget to save your changes by clicking on save here at the bottom. And that's it. Your profile is now private. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.